In a bold experiment, a Cloudflare engineer rebuilt 94% of the Next.js API in just 1 week using Anthropic's Claude AI, spending about $1,100 on tokens. The project, called Vinext, was created to address frustrations with deploying Next.js outside of Vercel's tightly controlled ecosystem. According to Cloudflare engineering director Steve Faulkner, Next.js relies on bespoke tooling like Turbopack, making deployment to platforms such as Cloudflare Workers unnecessarily complex. While Vercel has introduced deployment adapters, Faulkner argues they don't fully solve the deeper toolchain lock-in. Instead of reshaping Next.js build output like the OpenNext project attempts, Vinext replaces Turbopack with Vite and re-implements the API layer directly, mostly written by AI, but guided carefully by human oversight. Faulkner emphasized that constant course correction was essential, especially since no human has fully reviewed the resulting code yet. Despite warnings that the project is experimental and currently only deploys to Cloudflare workers. Early results are impressive, showing build times up to 4.4 times faster than Next.js 16 with Turbopack, and client bundle sizes roughly 56% smaller. The experiment also reinforces the power of test-driven development for AI coding, leveraging Next.js's extensive test suite to validate functionality. Beyond performance gains, Vinext raises bigger questions about AI's role in software development and whether future systems might be architected in ways optimized for machines rather than human understanding.
This is your tech rundown for the day, delivered at full speed.